Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿.com. I've got here this very snazzy looking 2005 carry truck. This has been repainted in nice green and lifted up, which makes it look more tough. Got some bigger wheels on with Yokohama Geolander tyres. That's the off-road tyre of choice in Japan on the Jiminy's and things like that, but someone's put them on this truck as well. So it should go pretty well in the snow and mud. It's got a very large bull bar on it, which looks quite good, makes it look tough, and it's quite well made reasonably anyway. Got a winch on the front too. Could do a bit of oil on the cable, but otherwise it looks pretty good. That should be able to pull this truck out of mud and snow. It's got a crash guard underneath as well, like a protection plate underneath there. That's pretty well made, looks quite sturdy, and that goes all the way back here underneath the transmission as well, so it protects everything on it. In the tray, it's in decent nick, no big damage. I think they've just been posing in this truck, not really using it for work, and that's what the tray looks like. It hasn't been scratched, dented or scraped. All the rest of the body's pretty good too. Three-side drop, all the clasps, and there's no damage to it. It's got this roll bar over the back as well, so you could mount some extra spotlights up on the top. That'd look pretty good, and that's been bolted through the tray there. Fits well, looks pretty nice, no problems there. Have a quick look inside. See here, seats in pretty decent condition. Start up the engine. You see there, it's done 44,000 kilometers. It's about 29,000 miles, something like that. Steering wheel, it's in pretty decent nick. This one's also got some good gear here. It can go in four-wheel drive like that, or it can also move it again into four-wheel drive low range. When you do that, the light comes on the dashboard there, four-wheel drive. You can see that, you know it's engaged. It's also got a diff lock. If you press this button, that light comes on. Now the back diff is locked as well. So this truck should be pretty good off-road. You shouldn't really be able to get stuck too easily in this. So someone's done all the work, spent all the money, put in this lift kit and all the different bars and stuff on it. You can see the lift kit under here as well. It's got those blocks there between the leaf springs and the diff. Some little bits surface rust on the diff, but it's nothing much. So this truck is going to be coming to the States very shortly. I'm probably thinking that there's going to be a bit of interest in this one, so if you are interested, you should get in touch immediately. But if you want to find something like this for yourself or build one for yourself, it's all possible. If you'd like to be a distributor for us in the States, there's a lot of information on the 𝐸𝐴𝐺𝐼.com website about that. These type of things do turn up at auction, so you never know what you're going to find when you're searching a Japanese auction. Sometimes you get something like this. So I hope this video is interesting, and do have a look on the website 𝐸𝐴𝐺𝐼.com. There's a lot more information on there. Thank you very much for watching.